Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. I know this is kind of going to be a late one for everybody. It's just about, I think it's the 29th today. Anyhow, so here's what we did just before Christmas holidays. We finished painting the inside of the engine bay. So we've done that, and I figured probably today would be a good day to take it apart. And then we're also going to clean off, and we're going to block out the inside of the behind the grill. And before we put the radiator back in, we're going to also paint it black. All right, so here, let's take some paper and stuff off of there. This off. I want to wipe it down a little bit. She's got a little dust on her. A little dust on the bottle, so that's okay. Come on. I want it perfect. I just wanted it cleaned up. Some point in time in this car's life, it had a some form of paint job on it. Not 100% sure. Well, it's a lot brighter than the dulled out stuff that's on there. Probably pretty loud on the TV, ain't it? Anyhow. Well, it's going to be what it's going to be. And I'm not too worried about super paint match. Because at some point in time, we're going to have to resplash this old girl anyhow, right? We're just not doing it now. Wow. It looks a lot better. I'll climb inside there to get that shit out, I think. Like I said, I didn't want a perfect match. I just wanted it to be cleaned up. And I think I accomplished that. Didn't want to lose any of the patina that it has, because I think that it maybe I'll clean some of that up right there. Well, far from perfect, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. So, what are you going to do, right? Didn't want to do any body work on it. I just wanted it cleaned up. So, start doing body work, and then you just becomes a full-on restoration every time. And we like driving her. We like putting miles on them. It's the most important thing to me. Wow, I like it. Picasso. Maybe not Picasso, but pretty goddamn good. Pretty goddamn good. Yeah, that old yellow on the top is pretty dull. Eh? Well, so let's get you off of there. Bring you inside here. Oop, that's pretty close, ain't it? So it turned out okay. I mean, it's not the perfect match. I just went with a Daytona yellow that I found that was, you know, gonna be what it's gonna be. Here it is here. There it is. It's engine paint. Took like 3 cans to cover that. But I think it turned out okay. Gotta finish stripping all that stuff off. I gotta tape the steering column out so I can put the coupler back together. You gotta be careful when you're doing that. You gotta have things all back together the way they're supposed to be. And once the engine's in, you're only gonna see that much of it anyhow. You're only going to see that much of it anyhow. So, I think that's good enough for me. We're not doing a restoration on it, we're just cleaning it up. Again, I said that again, I've probably said that to myself. I'm trying to convince myself, maybe that's what is happening there. So anyhow, Happy New Year. Thanks for coming along for the ride. I really appreciate all you guys. Some new videos coming out. Sure looks good from back here. Some new videos coming out. And we got some good stuff planned for the 2026. So, what else was I going to say? I can't remember off the top of my head. Anyhow, thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. We've got all the goodies for the 512. So that'll go back in there once we're back with that. Yeah. All right. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and all that stuff. And stay safe out there, guys.